Hello everyone, this is Nikita Sohane, Assistant Professor, Modern Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Indore. The topic for today's lecture is defects in tablets. Tablet is a solid unit dosage form which is flat or biconvex used for the medication purpose containing API and a number of excipients. The defects in tablet are: the first defect is capping. Capping is the partial or complete removal of top or bottom portion of a tablet. The reasons for the capping are presence of excessive fine in the powder blend, defective punches and dies, high speed of machine, and granules are too dried. These defect can be removed by setting the die and punches properly, reduce the percent of fine so that the capping may be reduced, punches should be polished, maintain the desired moisture in granules, and maintain the speed at optimum and regulate the pressure of punch. So the capping may be resolved from the punching tablets. Next defect is picking and sticking. The material is removed or picked by upper punch from the upper surface of tablet. In sticking, the material is stick to the walls of die's cavity. Reasons behind the picking and sticking are: use of worn out die and punch, use of small quantity of lubricant, presence of excess moisture in the granules, scratches on the surface of face of punch, and defect in formulation. This defect can be removed by using the new set of die and adding proper quantity of lubricant in the granules and drying the granules. Third defect is mottling. Mottling is the unequal distribution of color on the surface of colored tablet. The reasons behind the mottling are: migration of dyes in the granule during drying operation, use of different coloration of medicament and excipient. This defect can be removed by drying the granules at a low temperature and using the dyes which can mask the color of all the medicaments. Next defect is weight variation. Weight variation occurred during the compression of granules in a tablet machine, and the tablet do not have the uniform weight. That means the weight of tablet is variate from tablet to tablet. The reasons behind this defect is: granules are not in uniform size, presence of excess amount of powder in granules, not proper mixing of lubricant and uniform flow of granules, during compression change in capacity of die, variation in the speed of tablet machine. Hardness variation. The tablet do not have uniform hardness. It depends on the weight of the material and space between the upper and lower punch during the stage of compression. If the volume of material varies, the distance varies between the punches and the hardness is also varies. Next defect is double impression. This effect occurs when the lower punch has a monogram or some other engraving on it. During compression, tablet receive a imprint of the punch. Due to some defect in machine, lower punch moves slightly upward before ejection of tablet and gives a second impression to the tablet. This can be controlled by managing the movement of punch. These are the references for studying the defects in tablet. Thank you everyone.